Hi there, it's Alicia again. Okay, today's video is going to be on the exciting topic of taxes. So I know you're probably thinking, oh, how boring. But if as you'll find out, some of these techniques, if you don't know about them already, you're going to be able to apply them and save anywhere between $2,000 to $10,000 a year, or even be able to have it be more than a second income. So it's pretty darn impressive. And I have to make the disclaimer, I am not a tax advisor, I'm not a CPA. The things I'm going to be sharing with you are things that I've learned from my CPA and from information that I've learned about. And it certainly helped us, and I hope it can help you too. So, as you probably know, at least if you're in the U.S., there's two different tax systems. There's one for employees and one for business owners. And the one that you need to be able to benefit from is the one for business owners, because it gives you so many more advantages than being an employee. So if you are an employee right now, then you need to have a business if you don't already. Just a part-time, either home-based business, or there's a lot of different businesses to choose from. The first thing we're going to talk about are the benefits. So these are just a list of high-level benefits that you can take advantage of as a part-time business owner, or as full-time for that matter. The first one is entertainment. And that means that you can go to a concert, or you can go to a basketball game. If you have a business partner with you or a client, you document what it's for, you can be able to write that off. So it's actually really great because you can have some fun and conduct some business. The next one is meals. So if you're conducting business while you go out to eat, that becomes a tax benefit to you, where you don't have to pay taxes on that expense. Another one is vehicles. So if you use your vehicle more than 50%, you can be able to write it off as a tax-free benefit for you. Everything from the gas that you use to the maintenance of your car, and more for that matter. All you have to do is really document your mileage. And all these things require you to document, which we'll talk about here in a second. The next one is home office. So we have a home office here, and it's actually one of the biggest rooms in our house, which allows us to be able to take a little bit bigger tax deduction because it's a percent of your overall square footage. And we only use it for our business, and so it is a true home office. And we can be able to benefit from that, as well as all the expenses of running that home office. Everything from, it could be your electricity, your phone, your garbage, your water, all those things. It's great, it's a percentage, so you definitely want to take advantage of that. The next one is business travel. I call it AKA vacations. So, again, this is business travel, so you have to conduct business. But in doing so, you can kind of squeeze a vacation in there while you're there and be able to have that as a tax-free benefit and be able to get business done and take a little bit of a vacation. So it's kind of an all-in-one great benefit. The next one is fringe benefits. These are those little miscellaneous benefits. They're just extra little perks that you can enjoy as a business owner. There's a lot of them. In fact, I put a list of them up. But to be quite honest, I don't know, there's so many. This is just a portion of them, the ones that I thought were the most important. And where I got a lot of this information, like I said before, was from my CPA, but then also material that I learned about over the last many years. One of them, before I start covering these, is this book called Lower Your Taxes Big Time. And this book is by Sandy Bach, and you can buy it any bookstore, online. But the beauty of this is that it gives you very specific details of the benefits and what you need to do. So I have to apologize for our non-U.S. folks. This is a U.S. specific book, but I'm sure that there's books in your markets that will give you the same kind of information that you can benefit from too. So sorry I don't have that resource for you, but this is an awesome book. And by the way, I'm not making any money on this. It's just a book I've had for years and I've been able to benefit from, and hopefully you can too. Another one, so depending if you have real estate, there's another resource that's really great that we've got tremendous value from. He's a CPA and real estate investor named Al Aiello, and we've been able to benefit from this hugely as well. And and if you want information about this, you can certainly contact me on my website. So let's talk about the good old fringe benefits. So everything here is, again, not a all-inclusive list. These are just some of the top ones. First one is tax-free health insurance. I love that because you're going to pay for health insurance anyway, so why not make it tax-free? Gym and athletic facilities, this is so fantastic. So this applies if you have, let's say, if you want to have a home gym, which is great for exercise since you don't have to go somewhere. That can become a tax-free benefit for you if you allow other employees or you as a business owner to use it. Next one, disability insurance. Again, get that tax-free benefit. This one is terrific for parents, tax-free daycare. So if you're going to put your kids in daycare, why not make it tax-free? And you do that by having a business, either part-time or full-time. Retirement advice, you're going to retire anyways. Get some advice and make it tax-free. Tax-free meals and lodging, we talked about that already. Educational assistance, so think about if your kids maybe work for you, there might be some great perks there. So definitely read up on that if you have kids in college or soon to be. Qualified pension and profit sharing plans, this is one of my favorites because there are so many great things you can do to plan for your retirement through having your own business. So this one's a huge, huge one. Although it's towards the end of the list, it's fantastic. And company-provided vehicles, just a greater benefit for having a vehicle. So these are just some of the great ones, but definitely you'll see that there are so many reasons of why you can benefit by being a business owner and be able to make a lot of money in your business, especially if you have a business like mine that's a necessity type business that people need no matter what kind of economy you're in. So if you're in that kind of business, that's fantastic because your income's going to be high and it's going to be very consistent. So you can be able to benefit from all of these in the maximum possible way that you can. So hope you get to enjoy these. Again, look at the information, talk to your CPA. Now you have yet more reasons why you should be a part-time business owner or full-time if you're not already. Lots and lots of opportunity. Take advantage of it. So have a terrific day, and we'll talk again. Bye.